Dumelang sanibonani, umkhululo wabsihlalo eziningi. Congratulations to everyone who has made it through to the third round. Kunina ngithi sanibona. Welcome aboard. Then for those who did not qualify, bafowethu, I'm feeling very generous. However, it's very limited. I'll open up 2 spaces, only 2. So, to qualify for those spaces, I want you to do something. I'll provide a list of songs that I want you to choose one. You're going to provide us a 30 seconds video singing that particular song that you've chosen from my list, then submit it to us by the end of the day. Then you'll be granted maximum of 48 hours, as in 2 days, in terms of the small competition to qualify for the third round. Then how do we go about it? Your followers or the likes or the votes, how do you get them? People must go to the video, they must like and follow our page, then they must comment your contestant number, then that's how they will be eligible and they will be counted. So 1 account equals to 1 vote, and that account must follow us. We'll check that, we'll verify that, and also they must comment your number, since all the videos that you have made, all the 30 seconds are from everyone who did not qualify. We'll just compile them into one clip. So everyone will be commenting on that one video. Your contestant number, you must ensure that your people do know it. And remember that to the 2 that will make it through, I'm waiting for you all on the third round. Umkhululo sihlalo izinto eziningi asihlangane khona. Ensure that you submit very quickly.